Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is a class on the Bhagavad Gita as it is, 16th chapter, text number 7, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 14th of December, 1976, in Hyderabad, India.
Sri Rupam Chakrajatam.
So, we were discussing yesterday about the demons or non-devotees. Demons means non-devotees. That I have explained. Devata means demigods and demons. The demons, they do not know which way they have to lead their life. That they do not. Pravittincha nivittincha janana vidurasura. Na sauchang na pichachara na sattang teshu vidyate. These are the first qualification of the demons, that they do not know which way one has to make progress. That they do not. This is the defect of the modern civilization. They have universities, educational institutions, and advancement of knowledge, so on. But ask them, what is the aim of life? Why education is being imparted? What is the purpose? They don't know. Do they know? They simply know how to eat, how to sleep, how to have sex, and how to defend. For this purpose, they are giving education. And that is, does it require any education? How to eat? Everyone, even a child, he knows. You give him something eatable, he only takes and he knows it is to be put here, not there. Natural. You don't require any education for these things, primary, wants of the body, eating, sleeping, sex. It doesn't require any high education, how to enjoy sex life. Everyone knows. Even the cats and dogs, they know. Simply eating, everyone knows. Sleeping, it doesn't require that you have to sleep in this way. Whenever you feel tired, there is sleep. But the Asurajana, they do not know what is the purpose of education. That they do not. This is the beginning of Asura's life. Pravritti and nivitti. Pravritti means what is called incentive, which makes there is a grain of sugar, and the ant knows there is a grain of sugar. He is running after it. That is pravritti. And nivitti means I have passed my life in this way, but it is not actually my progress of life. I should stop this way of life. I should go to the spiritual realization. That is nimitti marga. There are two ways, pravritti and nivitti. Pravritti means we are going to the darkest region. Adanta gobhi visatang tamasa. Because we cannot control our senses, adanta means uncontrolled, and go means senses. Adanta gobhi visatang tamasa. just like we see varieties of life, so there is life also in the health, tamishya. So, either you go to the hellish condition of life or you go to the path of liberation. Both ways are open to you. So if you go to the hellish condition of life, that is called pravritti marga, and if you go towards the path of liberation, that is nivritti marga. This Krishna consciousness movement is training of nivritti marga. The basic principle so many knows. No means nivritti. No illicit sex, no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication. So this is the no path. So that they do not know. When we say so many no's, they think it is brainwash. Not brainwash. It is actual. If you want to develop your spiritual life, then you have to stop so many nuisance. That is nivritti marga. The usuras, they do not know. Because they do not know when nivritti marga, no, the path of no is recommended, they become angry. They become angry. Murkhaya upadesha hi prakopayana santa. Vayapanam bhujammanam kevalam visavardhanam. Those are rascals, fools. If you speak something valuable for his life, he will not hear it. He will become angry. The example is given, Vayapanam bhujanganam kevalam visavardhanam. Just like if a snake, if you ask the snake that I shall give you daily a cup of milk, do not commit this harmful life, biting unnecessarily others. You come here, take a cup of milk and live peacefully. That he will not give. He, by drinking that cup of milk, his poison will increase. And as soon as the poison is increased, it is also another itching sensation. He wants to bite. He will bite. So the result will be Vayapanam bhujanganam kevala visavardhanam. The more they starve, that is good for them, because the poison will not increase. The nature's law is there. And as soon as one sees a snake, immediately everyone becomes alert to kill the snake. And by nature's law, it is said, even a great saintly person, he does not lament when a snake is killed. Modeta sadhurapi sarpa vistika sarpa hatya. Prahlad Maharaj said, when his father was killed and Nrsimhadev was still angry, so he pacified Lord Nrsimha, said, now you can give up your anger, because nobody is unhappy on account of my father being killed. Means I'm also happy. Because my father was just like a snake and a scorpion. So even a great saintly person is happy when a scorpion or a snake is killed. They are not happy if somebody is killed. Even an ant is killed, a saintly person is unhappy. But a saintly person, when he sees that a snake is killed, he is happy. He is happy. So, we should not follow the life of snakes, pravritti marga, human life. is meant for nimitti marga. We have got so many bad habits. To give up these bad habits, that is human life. If we cannot do that, then we are not making any spiritual progress of life. Spiritual progress, so long you will have a little desire for committing sinful life for your sense gratification, you will have to accept a next body. And as soon as you accept a material body, then you will suffer. Jena, it is said that Nunang pramatta kurute vikarma. These rascals, they are mad, they are committing sinful life simply for sense gratification. There is no need of committing sinful life, but for sense gratification they are doing that. The Rishabdev says it is not good, because for sense gratification you have got already this body, and you know, experiencing that you are suffering threefold misery, and again you are committing something which will oblige you to accept another body. This is not good. This is not good. We should do in such a way that we may not accept again this material body. That will save us from all suffering. Material body means it is given to you for your suffering. But that they do not know. They think you are enjoying. Eating, sleeping, mating. In any body you will have these facilities. Visaya khalu sarvatasya. Even you become a dog, or you become a hog, or you become a man, or you become a demigod, these four facilities you will get everywhere. Eating facility, sleeping facility, sex facilities, and defense facilities you will get. Visaya khalu sarvatasya. As a human form of life, these facilities should be minimized. Denied, not only minimized, no meat, no illicit sex. That is nivittima. But the asuras, they do not know. Pravittincha nivitti, that this life is meant for nimitti marga. They do not know. When you say, don't do this, they think otherwise. Vayapanam bhujanganam kevalam bhujavardhanam. Na sauchang napi cha acharam. And why they become addicted to sense gratification? Because they are not clean. Saucha. Saucha is the qualification of Brahmana. We are getting sacred threads, but we are neglecting how to remain Saucha, Suchi. Suchinang simatangi yoga bhasta sanjaya. Suchi means first class Brahmana. So we are accepting sacred thread to become first class Brahmana, Suchi. But we do not know, after eating we have to wash our hands. We are taking the handkerchief and finish. See, this kind of Brahmana, what they will do? That is not even a civilized man. We should be very, very careful how to follow the rules and regulations. That is nimitti marga. If we still remain in pravitti marga, then we will not be able to make any advance in spiritual life. And if we do not make advance in spiritual life, then again and again, Sharira Tatha Dehantara Prapti Dhira Sattanamaya. Everyone is suffering on account of this body, and this human body is meant for ending this suffering. That should be the aim of life. But those who are asuras, they do not know how to end this life of suffering and accept the life of Anandamaya Vyasa, simply Ananda in Vaikuntha, in Goloka Vrindavan. Krishna, to live with him as his associate. We have no information. We are demons, and therefore we take pleasure in so-called material activities, and that means we are doomed. We should stop this nonsense and take the principles of nimitti marga. Then our life will be successful. Thank you very much.
Jai.